Alright, what is up everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be flying the Nazgul at the park. So, some of you guys checked out that last video, the first rip, the maiden voyage of this, and you guys really liked it, so I'm here to provide you with more Nazgul footage. Now, I'm at a new scene, new park for you guys. This is a park near my house. It's like late afternoon, or early afternoon, I'm sorry, and nobody's really here, so I'm just out here ripping around. A lot of like trees that are spread apart, as you guys can see in the background. So that's what I'm gonna do, is go ahead and rip this bad boy. Got the cams going. Now I flew a couple packs here probably about like 20 minutes ago, and I was getting these weird jitters. As you guys can see, I don't know what that is. Leave a comment down below if you know what that is. I don't know if it's something wrong with like the battery. I hope it's the battery, because I can just replace a battery. I'm trying these batteries, the CNHL, Chinese Hobby Line, and I believe that's what that stands for. And the last pack I just flew, no jitters at all. And what's weird is, you know, the tattoos are better batteries, and I was getting the jitters out of those. So let me go ahead and put this bad boy in the air. I'm getting a feel for this park, so bear with me here. I'm not doing nothing too crazy, just ripping around, and honestly just trying to get a feel for this quad right here, because it is a whole nother level compared to the Cinnabot. So without further ado, let's do this thing. All right guys, we are about to take on off. Like I said, we're just out here having a good time, nothing too crazy. We'll see if this pack does the little jitters. But yeah, those last batteries, I was getting some jitters. Look, I don't know why I went right. Trying to get better with turning right. I feel like my turns, whenever I go right, aren't the best. I'm gonna try to power lift this thing. Sort of, kind of, maybe. In there. Discombobulated right there. So yeah, that was that pack. I'm gonna go ahead and change packs. We'll do one more rip, but yeah, I'm just trying to get a feel for it. But so far, I am really loving this little thing. Rips really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it and stop the recording. But yeah, it rips really nice. It's super like smooth but agile at the same time. It's a really well-tuned, well-balanced drone. That's what I'm finding. Here's my camera angle. I don't know the exact. I know you guys were interested. Let me see if I can focus this bad boy. So there's my camera angle. I'm rocking probably, I don't know, 20 degrees, 25 degrees. What would you guys say that is? It's pretty pitched. That's pretty flat right there, I think. So yeah, it's pretty nice camera angle. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this other battery in, and we will plop this bad boy back in the air. All right, so I went ahead and just switched batteries. We're gonna go ahead and send it back in the air. Yeah, this battery, I was not getting any of those weird like jitters. I don't know if it was I think it was the batteries, obviously, if it's not doing it anymore. So we are recording. And another thing, I don't know, this thing is so like squeaky. I need to fix that. This RC, this controller right here, the Ethix Mambo, really good, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and start all the GoPros up. This GoPro is almost dead, so hopefully stick cam will last one more battery. Got like 13%, whatever. So let's get a nice wide stance here, and let's go rip. Windy out. Whoa. Had a little crash here. Let's bring it back.
So unfortunately, the GoPro was unplugged, which loses like 15 or 10 seconds of, you know, the footage. So yeah.
We're back in action. Let's get back to it. Had a little minor crash. It happens. unfortunately we lost the GoPro, so no stick cam footage for that last little bit, but got a little good rip in. Alright, so I hope you guys liked that video. Nice little rip at the park. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Stay tuned for this weekend. I have a little surprise up my sleeve. I will be going out of town and definitely bringing this, so stay tuned for that footage. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.